having trouble with your motorsports motorcycle battery terminal, that little threaded nut that goes back behind this coupler here, well, what you do is get a chunk of, like what I've got here is scrap paper. This is receipt paper. I stuck it behind that nut, and then that'll hold that nut only so far. It spaces it out towards the bolt, and granted it's just paper, so it's not going to be conductive, and so that's not going to mess with you at all. So that way you can connect up your bolt a lot easier.